Hello, I'm in Barcelona, FESPA. Today I will show you our latest DTF machines with a high speed, high production, new functions. So you can see the new structures, new design with box type designs, very stable, durable DTF printers. And with our extra longer shakers for the more heating. First, I will show you the structure, the functions. New structure have more space. That means you have more speed to do the maintenance. Very easy, very simple. You can see more space in left and right side box. Design have much space, so we can install more heads, 6 heads. So with 6 heads, you can print 8 pass, 6 pass with a high resolution, high speed. You can see the speed. Currently, we are printing 6 pass with 36 meters per hour. Okay, that means around 2 hours or 3 hours, you can print 1 row. Okay, so we also install the computer stand. You can fix your screen here with the screws. Also, you put the laptop here, so very easy for you to control your computer. Okay, in the foot, you can see their books. With your other handle, you can open the book to put your stuff in. Okay, in the left and right side, you also have the electronic books. So it's much better to lay out your electronics parts like boards and power supply. Also here we installed a big tank. This bigger blistering tanks. When it's full, also have a notice, so you can hide the tanks inside. When the tank's full, also have the indicator to remind you it's full. Okay, in the front we can see we make this button, physical button left, because most people are like this. You can control them directly. Also you can control through the computer, the function sim. You can maybe some clients like in the software, maybe in like the bottom case. Okay, in the here, all the functions integrated here in screen touch. Like this, in first line is ink shortage for all the colors. You can see many colors, CMYK, RGBO, and fluorescent. Also, we can control them directly one by one. That means if the ink in the bottle is shortage, it's noisy sounds, but you can close them because you want to use them out. Also, this is a with ink tank notice. So for all the ink boats with tanks, we make them notice well. Okay, this is a platform heating, the front, middle, back heating. You can control here, and the suction fan to suction the film, fixed film. You control them with the different levels. This is an external device for the wet ink, one circulating system inside. So these functions perform the printing well. Okay, follow me to share the different functions. Indicators and emergency stop. Let me make the printing very safe. So there are 3 printing status in the indicator for the errors, for standby, for printing. So they have red, yellow, green colors to remind you what status in the old printer. Okay. So in the print back, we can see the different design as our previous printers. Left, right, and the right side both have tanks. Instead of 1 liter, 1 kilo bottles, 1 liter kilo bottles, no, we use 3 liter bottles. So for high production, high speed, no need to change the ink frequently. Okay, so this design, you can see 3 liter bottles, and under this piece we have a storage. You can put the left box, left inks here, and you can put some other stuff here. Okay. So in left side and both right side, they totally have 9 tanks. That means when you order these machines, you have 2 options. One option to print the CMYK plus white, 5 colors, and another option is you can print 8 colors. CMYK and RGBO or fluorescent with white ink. Okay, here is ML. MRS means moisture resin. We have moisture resin system in our printers. So before we usually make the daily maintenance by hand, right? No need to daily maintenance. You can make it automatically maintenance daily. The moisture resin will pump the waste ink and inject the moisture resin liquid to the capping. Okay, this is a new upgraded tension rod systems for the fitting the films, makes the film fitting smoothly. I will show you how it works. You can see the thicker rods, metal rods, and the big power motors, and their sensors, some rods together to make them up. And these systems can handle heavy rods like 100, 200, 300 meters rods, and very easy to you change the rods. You can take the rods out to install the rods and put them on. You can see that they're working now. We have two sensors in top and bottom. Okay, so when the sensor touches the rods, we will be working and make them tension. Okay, so these are our new DTF printers. I will show you the ovens. So the printer and oven, we usually set them 20 centimeter distance. So make the film touch the preheating plate well, and go to into the tunnel. There have two magnets to fix the film. Okay, this emergency stop. When you stand here, you can easily to control it, press it when there are urgent action happened. There are touch screens. Okay, there are preheating setting. There is oven drying, and belt controlling, spiral controlling, cycles controlling, and smoke purifier controlling all in here. You can see the spiral working in the top. They have a sensor protection. When you open it, it will stop automatically. So there have three pieces spirals in the bottom, in the top, in the vertical to its system setup. Okay, there's in the bottom we have set a powder stop rod to make the powder sieving. So before don't have the powder stop rod, the powder will fill up very quickly. There's a suction rod to fix the film. So when you cut the film, it will not falling off quickly. In the front, we have a suction. In the back, also suction. Okay, so this one extra longer than before. It's more heating efficiency, more heating power, and suited for the high-speed production for POD, for DTF printers. So here we upgrade with two double-length fans to make sure the film come out and cooling down soon. And this print and oven configuration with smoke purifier inside. So it's this tube go outside, and even there's no current to outside, the room is not too much smoke. Also, there are oil tubes. When the oil in the oil tanks is full, it will flow out. You connect with the bottle and something. Okay, so in the books, the electro diagrams, we are management in both sides. So it's very simple and very easy to do maintenance. It's just open the cover. And for the heating ovens, you see we are install the silicon seals. We make locks to make sure the heating locked inside and heating well. And here you can see there have a box to hold the powder in the bottom. They have windows. You can see how the powder fill the inside, and you can see when we will fill the new powders. Okay, you can see this. Okay. Yeah, so you can see this side. The space is enough for maintenance and printing. Okay, so when you get this DTF printers, this is the whole set delivered. You just use a forklift to take them out and install the print head and install the inks. Okay, let's have a new setup for DTF. I think this will make your business more success in DTF printings. Any questions, any query, please feel free to ask me. Thank you.